Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be coloring all these numbers and find the missing ones. Let us get started. This is 1. What comes after 1? 2. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. What comes after number 3? 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. What comes after number 5? 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. What comes after number 7? 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. What comes after 9? 10. Number 10. This is 11. Number 11. What comes after 11? 12. Number 12. This is 13. Number 13. What comes after 13? 14. Number 14. This is 15. Number 15. What comes after 15? 16. Number 16. This is 17. Number 17. What comes after 17? 18. Number 18. This is 19. Number 19. What comes after 19? 20. Number 20. Let us read them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.